Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the concept, who this VTuber is and why people care. Pick persona, core traits, and visual archetype so design choices stay consistent. Once decided, translate that into assets, face, hair, outfit, color palette. Make sure to set a technical baseline next. Choose target FPS and acceptable latency before building. This prevents redesigns later. Then, prepare a short reference sheet for modeling and rigging so artists, and you stay aligned during production. You now move into the complex middle, modeling and rigging. Start with a clean base mesh optimized for the facial system you chose. Good topology speeds up weight painting. Then texture and separate clothing layers for modular swaps because you will iterate. After that, rig with bones and blend shapes and add simple physics for hair or clothing. This boosts natural motion. Once done, run expression and lip sync tests to catch deformation issues. Make adjustments until movements read clearly on camera. You finish by integrating and polishing for live use. Load the model into your capture app, then calibrate face, eye, and optional hand tracking so expressions map reliably. Next, optimize performance with LODs and compress textures so you hit a stable 30-60 FPS. Once everything runs, set up overlays, chat alerts, and an audio chain with noise gating. Rehearse 1 to 2 full sessions. This reveals sync or visibility bugs. Troubleshooting tip: if tracking jitter appears, lower camera exposure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.